Welcome to the Study and Stay Capstone Program. Log in. Start by logging in with your registered email ID. Program tasks. Code of conduct. Click on Read terms below, review the code of conduct, and submit your agreement. Career Kickstarter. Access the form using the provided link. Use your registered email ID to complete and mark it as done. Mentorship log number 1. Log your first meeting with your mentor. This log is essential for tracking the progress and milestones of your mentorship journey. Note: a minimum of 4 meetings with your mentor is required. Learning Hub. View, favorite, and track your course list and certificates. To earn Capstone badges, enroll in and start a course. When completed, a green check mark will appear. Complete the retreat evaluation and needs assessment by following the steps provided. Favorite any course for easy access. Events. Program activities. Access program details and activities. Community events and festivals. Explore festivals and events across Nova Scotia. Select events of interest and find more information. Navigate and explore the app. Thank you.